hi everybody, it's Anne here from positivelypapercraft.co.uk, and I'm back again with another tutorial. And I think everyone sometimes has last minute Christmas cards to do, so I thought that was a good idea for this card, or you could just make it for next year. The reason I've got this scored is because this is the third time I've had to record it, and I kept scoring it wrong, so it will end up something like this. Alright, so you need a piece of card which is 11 1/4 inches long by 5 3/4. Alright, on the long side you want to score it at 1.5 inches, 3.5 inches. Let me just double check I'm giving you this right. 1.5, 3.5, 7.5 and 9.5 inches. Alright, and then you're going to just fold it up like that, and they go back. Okay, so you'll end up with this. Now you need a pencil and a ruler, and you want to draw from this score line just to the very end. Okay, just a pencil line all the way down, and the same on this side. Just all the way down, and we're just going to cut this off. I'm going to use scissors. You can use a trimmer if you prefer. Okay, just like that. Okay, so you should end up with this. And then if you've got any pencil marks, you can just rub them out with a rubber. Okay, so what we're going to do is open it back out again and take your pencil and ruler, and what you want to do is just line the ruler up, obviously with the beginning of the card. Alright, and then you want to come down to 3 inches. Okay, so 3 inches, and just put a little pencil mark at the 3 inches, and also one, so 3 inches, and also one again at 4.5 inches. So you'll have 2 little pencil marks, 3 and 4.5. Do the same on the other side. Just come down with your ruler and just mark 3, 4.5. Okay, so you should have 2 pencil marks, the same spots. Okay, then what you want to do is on them pencil marks, just take your ruler, okay, and just measure in 1/4 inch, and just draw the line with the pencil. Again on this one, this other line, measure in at 1/4 inch and just draw a pencil line. So you should have that. I hope you can see that. Okay, do the same on here. Find the little marks, measure in 1/4 of an inch. Alright, pretty simple, isn't it, really? So you should have your 2 marks like that. Alright, then what we're going to do is from this pencil line to here, so from there to there, we are going to draw a line. So from the end of this pencil line, okay, to the very tip of the other one, we're just going to draw a line, and then from this pencil line right down to the very corner. So you should end up with that, okay? And then do the same on the other side. So from the pencil line just to the other line, and then from the pencil line to the very bottom corner. So again, so that's what you should have, okay? And we are just going to cut them lines with our scissors, and that's what gives you the tree. So I'm just going to follow the pencil lines, okay, and then just snip along there, and then follow the other pencil line and snip along this one as well. Okay, and do the same with the other side. Just follow the pencil line so you have got your cute little tree. Now what we're going to do is, what the gold is for, is I am going to draw, so you've got a score line. If you take the score line to the very edge of your paper, where your paper starts, alright, and then I am just going to draw a line. I want to trace around this tree. Okay, I think you might be able to pick the pencil. Yeah, you can see the pencil lines. And again, I'm just going to take my scissors and I am going to cut around this pencil mark. Now you could use foil, like mirror card, foil, some fancy paper, anything. And then I'll show you what this is going to be for. Just follow the pencil line. Okay, so there is the tree shape. I'm just going to rub that pencil line off. And then what we're going to do is, this is going to get stuck just under here, okay, so that when this bit kind of comes up, you can see a nice fancy gold tree underneath. So I'm going to do the same, because I want the same on the other side. Go. And then with a bit of luck, this one should go fit just behind that one. Okay, so we're going to glue these down underneath here. I think that gives a really pretty effect. Right, let's get these out the way. Okay, so my bits of tree. And I've just got some glue here, and I'm just going to glue these on underneath here. Kind of glue them just beside the score line. Like, don't go over the score line, otherwise that won't fold back properly. Alright, and you can just see it peeking through. And then same for the other one. I just want some glue on here. And then we're going to glue this on as well. If there is any little bits sticking out, just snip that off. It's only a tiny bit. So that's what you should now have, and then you can see your sweet little tree underneath. And then I've got a piece of white card which I'm going to pop inside. This measures 3 3/4 by 5.5 inches. I'm going to just stick this to the inside. Okay, and then I'm just going to stamp like a Christmas sentiment in the middle. Okay, so just stick that in there. And then I've got Merry Christmas, and I'm just going to stamp, oopsie, have I got ink on that now? Oh no, I haven't. I'm just going to ink this up. And then I'm just going to stamp this in the middle. There we go. Merry Christmas, and you can write a little message there as well. Now, if we take our cute little gems, what I'm going to do is on this bit here, I'm going to take some of the stars, and I am just going to pop kind of on the side like that. Oopsie. I mean, obviously you can put on whatever you want. It's entirely up to you. But I like this. I think it's a really pretty card. How cute is that though? Doesn't that look so nice? And obviously it stands up. You've got your lovely little gold tree underneath. And then to keep it closed, I have got some of this pretty like golden cream twine rope stuff, I don't know, whatever you want to call it. And I'm just going to tie this in a sweet little bow, and that's what will keep your card closed. just shorten that down a little bit. There we go. Isn't that just so pretty? And it's not hard to do. You don't need any fancy dies or anything like that. Great little card. So yeah, if you have any to make, give it a try. If not, you can always make it next year. So all the info will be on my blog. So thanks again for watching. Take care and bye for now.